Guys, so I made it out to the event for the NTCR team. They out here. This thing is crazy popping. Spiders, Rykers, slingshots. They have the music competition going on right now. The ride out here was great. It took about 8 or 9 hours to get here. I'm gonna stay the night and then make it out to Florida tomorrow. No point of me going out there tonight. I'm just gonna end up riding at night if I left tonight. So I'm just gonna hang out here. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that came out here to play.
Three. Oh, Joyce! What an upstanding track!
All right, event's over. People left. I just kind of stayed behind, try to see if I could get some pictures. I'm about to hit up the hotel, relax for a little bit, and see if I could catch something in a couple hours. See if maybe they go out and we do something. I'll try to catch up with y'all later if y'all around.
You're coming to the party, right?
It's the Beastie Road, Ford Road. Yeah, so I'll be out there in a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
I know how to drive one of them things. You better not leave it on.
Go ahead, Ryder. You go for it. Go for it.